Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into how to create a free account on Mendeley. It's a powerful reference citation manager that's essential for anyone involved in research. In order to visit the official website, you have to type in Google Mendeley. Here you will find the first option, Mendeley Reference Management Software. Click on this title. In order to create a free account, I have to hit this icon. Click on this icon. Here you have to add your email. After adding your email, hit the continue button. This type of interface appears on your screen. Add the details that have been asked on this interface. In order to create a strong password, the Mendeley suggests the password should contain minimum 8 characters. It should contain a number, lowercase, uppercase and one symbolic character. I am adding the password. This progress bar shows the level of your password. In this case, it is showing strong. That means I have included all characters in the password. Then here you have option stay sign in, and second option, if you want elsewhere to send information about their products, then select this option. I recommend keep this option as it is. After filling all details, click on this register option. The new interface with a welcome message is appears on your screen. Then hit on the continue option. Now the new interface that is showing welcome to Mendeley, and where you get the search bar for searching articles. Thank you for watching this video.